Morning students, today we are starting a new section of this chapter, that is salt. This is the last portion of this chapter. So when you hear the salt, we can first recollect what we have studied in a reaction, that is neutralization reaction. Can you recall what is the definition of neutralization reaction? You can definitely say that it is a reaction between an acid and base to give a new product, that is salt. So before entering to the types of salt, we can discuss actually what is a salt. When an acid reacts with a base, a neutralization reaction occurs and produces a chemical called salt. That is, acid plus base gives salt. The name of the salt depends on the name of the reactants. That is, it depends on the acid and base we selected for the reaction. There are certain rules for naming salts. That is, the first part of the salt depends on the base and the second part of the salt depends on the acid. That is, if it is a base, sodium hydroxide reacting with hydrochloric acid, the product we will get is sodium chloride. That is, sodium we derived from the base and chloride is taken from the acid. Various examples you understood that a salt is formed between the reaction of an acid and base. Depending on the type of acid and base selected, the variety of salts are produced. So under this we can discuss about the family of salt. When you hear a family, means it includes various members in it. Like that, the salt family contains many types, like chloride family, carbonate family, nitrate family, sulfate family, etc. So we can discuss each with the different types of examples. Salts having the same positive or negative ions are said to belong in the same family. Some examples are discussed below. That is, first one is sulfate salt. This family contains a common group, that is sulfate group. Some examples are potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, etc. Here sulfate belongs to the same group of negative radicals. The second family is chloride salt, that is sodium chloride, ammonium chloride are examples for this. Here chloride is a common group seen in this salt, so they come under chloride salt. The third group is sodium salt, that is sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate are examples for this. Here commonly sodium is coming under the same cation group, so they come under the same group of salt, that is sodium salt. We can discuss with some examples. The first example given is sodium chloride. The parent of sodium chloride is base sodium hydroxide and acid hydrochloric acid. Here sodium is from the base and chloride is from the hydrochloric acid. The second example, potassium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, the salt we got potassium chloride. Potassium is from the base and chloride is from the acid. The last example, ammonia solution and nitric acid. The salt we got is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium is from the base and nitrate is from the acid. Like that, depending on the acid and base reacting, we are getting the corresponding salt, and depending on the common anions and cations, we are categorizing the family like chloride family, sulfate family, nitrate family, etc. So students, I think you understood that, for example, if it is a sodium chloride and sodium sulfate, since here the cations are same, it comes under the sodium salt. Another example, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. So from this you understood that ions are coming under chloride. So it comes under chloride salt. Like this, depending on the cations and anions, the naming of the salt also will differ. Next we can enter to the pH of salt. Can you recall what is a pH? pH means it is a quantitative representation of a given solution, whether it is acid or base. So depending on this, the salt has different pH. According to that, salt are divided into three. We can discuss with the help of some examples. Depending on the pH value, salt are divided into three types: neutral salt, acidic salt and basic salt. Salt of a strong acid and strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. Example is sodium chloride and calcium sulfate. On the other hand, salt of strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7. Example, ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate. And those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Examples are calcium chloride and acetic acid. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt because it is having a pH value 7. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is having pH 9. Ammonium chloride is acidic salt, its pH is 6. Potassium sulfate is neutral salt, it is having pH value of 7. So, the general definition of a salt is it is an ionic product of an acid-base neutralization reaction. Salt are generally divided into three types: acidic salts, neutral salts, and basic salt, depending on the acid and base reacting together. So, depending on the pH of salt, salts are divided into three. They are neutral salt, acidic salt, and basic salt. So, which are topics we studied now? They are definition for salt, family of salt, and pH of salt.